Is there a fire?
No, the building collapsed.
Where?
In the back. All back down.
Captain, hey, the Champlain Towers, the building, it collapsed. The Champlain Towers building collapsed. The back part of the building collapsed. I'm gonna need, I'm gonna have to contact Healy to get down here too. Okay. Okay. We don't know. It just somebody heard they heard a loud noise and it just came down. Yeah, fire rescue's on their way. This is huge. I mean, humongous. Yeah, I'm gonna need. Yeah, I'm gonna have to have some people showing up here. Let me contact Bow Harbor too. We just got here. Okay, I'm gonna contact Healy right now. Surfside 13 to Bow Harbor 50. You have units, additional units to help us out over here?
Over 16. Pure.
Hey, can you get down to 8777 Collins? The Champlain Towers, the backside of the whole building collapsed. Okay, yeah, I called Marciante. I think so, yeah. Okay. Don't hit my car.
I'm sorry. No. Speaking Spanish?
No,
Está lastimada mi mujer.
I don't speak Spanish. Holy fuck.
Chief. Sorry, guys.
That side,
Dude.
that side's gone.
I know. What the fuck?
Do you guys even know the layout of the building?
No.
What we got?
Half the building
Dude, the
collapsed.
fucking building came down.
Oh, fuck.
Dude, the other side.
It's on that
So
side.
what?
So there's people stuck up there. They're calling.
East or west? Fourth floor. Fourth floor with a 13th facing the water. What is this here? So I'm in the room. Sorry. I'm in the room. I'm on my headphones, and I hear like something fell.
All right, okay. We got you. We need to start staying at the staging area, which we need to do away from here, because if the rest of this collapses,
need the south side of party shut off also.
My wife and kids, we fucking just came out of there like.
oh, there's all right.
What's going on?
South side where? From where?
From 8-7. What's this? 8-8 from 8-7 and least down to what is this? 8-9 to 8-6.
On that
A lot of people.
Yeah.
one.
Well, Hardy.
A lot of old people there.
Yeah.
Most of us are occupied on this side over here. So whatever you guys let me know, I'm there with my family.
Let
my
me-
two small children that have to pull them out. I need to come.
That back part that collapsed, how many people do you think were in there?
I want to say at least, I probably 40% of that side was filled. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where you headed at?
Where am I headed?
I mean, what they need block?
They said they need the south side of Harding blocked.
the south side. I got
I don't know, at maybe 8, 9 or something, or down?
8 from 8-9 down.
Yeah.
Not good.
No, this is fucking weird.
Hello. Reference the units that are assisting in Surfside. Can I have a unit respond to 8800 block of Collins? Reference keeping traffic and pedestrians out. Kentel, thank you. Can I have another unit that's assisting Surfside respond to 87 in Collins? Reference keeping traffic and pedestrians out.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
That came.
Okay, well,
hold on. Right,
Nobody can get in there. Nobody can get in there right now.
Nobody can get in. No,
Listen,
I am
you
a
okay?
security guard.
Right
I
now,
literally had to fight myself.
We were
Help
told.
one of the kids.
Calm down. Listen. We were told by rescue. Not even we can help right now. So they're coordinating something to help get everybody out. I
Listen.
I understand. But we have to do whatever they say.
Can I have her go into the
Creek 64 is arrival.
To the shaft?
I mean, if you
can I use your phone? Can I use your phone to call her, please?
I'd have to go get it. But if you want to call her, go ahead and call her. But I can't let you go in there. All right?
Literally. Listen, I'm a security guard. I was in there.
Where were
I
you
was
at?
sitting right here.
Okay.
So I hear a boom, boom, but I'm thinking it's the elevator. No beeps or nothing goes off. Another boom, boom come. That's when I heard a brrrr. So that's when I immediately, the lady, when I heard that, the lady heard that, she ran outside and said the everything collapsed. I say, get out. I called 911 and I stayed in there. Everybody was keep calling. I have to stay in there. Quite naturally, I'm going to stay in there and tell everybody, get out. I can't, knock on everybody's door. So everybody that's calling, get out. The next thing you know, I'm telling them to do it. It's second come down. It's the lab. I don't even know how I made it out.
What's your name?
Shamoka Furman. I don't even know.
You have your
I don't even know.
Shamoka
SHAMOKA FURMAN. Next thing you know, I try to go out from this way. I see lion wire just sparkle in the air. So I say, oh God, help me, help me, help me.
What's your date of birth?
05 here. Here's my identification.
Okay, that'll help me. Because you were probably the first one to hear probably anything.
But to be honest, no. I think when I heard it, I thought it, yeah. When I heard it, I felt like it was the elevator. The second time it was a drrrr. The lady walked out and said, "What?" And that's when I say,
she's a security guard, so.
Yeah, I was there. I was sitting down. And
Are you the only one in the front?
Yeah,
working?
I'm the only one there.
Okay.
So I heard a boom boom, but I didn't hear no.
Let me ask you a question. Have they been working on this building lately or anything? Have they been doing anything?
To be honest, I work overnight.
Okay.
I work overnight. This never happened. I didn't even think we have earthquakes. I don't even know what this was. I don't know what's going on. All I know is it was I honest to God, I thought it was an elevator because no alarms went off. So when it was a lady came from downstairs to say, what was that?
Call your police that they need to not walk on that side. Everybody's got to.
I have my guys here.
They can get on the radio because there's like 4 cops that keep walking on that sidewalk and cannot be there.
Okay.
We're waiting for a full TRT collapse assignment to arrive. It's going to be a while.
I know.
We're just trying to keep these people calm. If they know people that are in specific apartments, and you can gather that, I know I have 1111. Anybody else that we know specific apartment numbers and geographic locations will be
910.
She's the security.
I don't have no papers.
No. You have it on your phone?
No.
Can you open up a note?
No. All I know is
You have a notepad?
my phone literally messed up trying to escape that.
I will get a notepad.
So when I heard the big boom, 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 the lady
You don't have a notepad to write
No,
down?
I wish I
the lady
did.
come downstairs and was like, did you hear that? I say, that's the elevator. She said, no. So the second one came. She ran outside, and that's when I got on the phone. I called you guys immediately.
I'm gonna get a notepad.
That was mind you, sir. That was the second one. That was the second one. Why I'm on the phone is a third one. The third one messed up all this right here. The front and the parts I tried to leave out of. So I literally had to leave from the back pool door, and I jumped across. And I had to jump across that garage right there because the garage collapsed right there. 4 kids or 2 kids or whatever, I think, I'm not mistaken, 2 kids and a man and a woman and an old lady. I end up helping them across. But I don't even know how I made it out of there through the grace of God.
Okay.
I can't even do this type of stuff anymore.
Here, come with me. I think here she is. Let her, just talk to her. I'm gonna go talk to the officers over here.
It's gone.
It's gone. The whole back of the building's gone.
I've never seen anything like this, bro.
It's the whole back of it is collapsed, and it's still active. It can go in any time. When I got here, I thought it was a laundry.
Dude, I saw it when I was coming through here. Relax, bro. Relax. I know, man. I know.
Fire's here. Yeah,
Holy fuck, dude. Hey.
How did it come down?
It came out as a 49 alarm, and
Yeah.
we just got here, and we just saw it just like this.
Okay.
The security guard over here, she just heard some noises, like some like explosion types, like noise. She thought it was the elevators.
Okay.
And basically the can't come outside and the buildings collapse.
The whole back of it is?
Yeah.
Hey, where's the fire department? Where are we doing the command?
The fire right here. Well, fire department stays right here. They're bringing people out for.
Do we have anybody on the beach blocked off?
Yeah, the beach.
has the
Miami Beach has that.
So let's talk together. Let's get a scribe. Who's going to be at the fire department command post? And then who's going to be over there to start jotting everything down? Obviously, we can't go in the building.
No.
Okay, but we need to get all these folks. Let me get someone to the community center and start evacuating people. This can go down at any time.
I know.
Nobody said it was an explosion or anything. We didn't hear an explosion.
No, we didn't hear anything. We would have heard it from. We were right down here. We didn't hear any explosion or anything.
In order for our Surfside to be able to interact with you, we would either have to use Miami Beach as like 1 or 2. Which one would be better?
Stay back. Stay back.
Yeah. Hey, listen. Hey, Healy's gonna need you to stage with fire, and just get all the notes you can. Okay. Just take notes.
I'll do a radio check now.
Do we have who else coming after this shit?
Huh?
Who else coming after this shit?
Or who else south? Whatever is south. Yeah, whatever.
No, who's coming out? You want me to get like fucking FEMA or some shit for this, bro?
No.
Disaster, man.
I know. They got fire rescue's got it. They got the whole plan. She told me they have people coming out. Dude.
That's 2. Can you try the other one? Because that's our main channel that you're on.
This is one of the craziest calls I've ever been on.
Okay, set.
This is insane. This is like, dude, I hear.
Dude.
Yeah, man. So do I. I know, man. I don't even want to talk about it. Let's get. Actually, we should get back, man. We need to get because we don't know.